2, 3, funky. What's up, guys, and welcome to Isaac and Stuff. I just got my Copenhagen Grooming Beard Growth Kit in the mail, and it's so awesome. It is just so high quality looking. It's all black. I love it. When you first open it, it has a QR code that leads you to detailed instructions, a video that tells you exactly how to use it. So let's get into the kit. So first up, there is the cleanser that is designed and used to clean the beard roller. And of course, there is the activator. It activates your facial hairs and boosts your beard growth. There's also this super awesome high quality metal beard comb that is also a keychain. It is so awesome. I love it. Last but not least, the beard roller. It's 540 titanium needles that create microscopic channels and activate the body's natural healing process. The beard roller increases blood circulation, stimulates sleeping follicles, and maximizes serum absorption. Let's also talk about some game-changing extras. You can also get the SIDEKICK, which is a daily supplement that contributes to normal hair and beard growth. It has 27 active ingredients for better hair and beard growth. There's also the GREENKEEPER, which is a moisturizer that's carefully developed to actively fight those beard-related skin issues, like flakiness, dry skin, and irritated skin. It is perfect for that. Finally, the last thing on my list is OFFZITE. It's an all-around zit stick made to reduce inflammations, unclog and decrease pores, and maintain the correct bacteria balance in your skin. So don't wait, go start your beard growth today. Go check out cphgrooming.com, check out their Instagram. Thanks for tuning in to Isaac and Stuff, and I'll catch you guys next time.